Good evening, everyone. Our supergroup is excited to be back with ABC Corporation. First, we will start with our security strategy. We decided to go with 4 methods of protection to cover each avenue. First, we have firewalls that will prevent unauthorized access to or from external parties, for which case we will be using hardwire firewalls. If there is an attempted breach, traffic flow will be directed accordingly. Next, we have set up a series of encryption techniques. Hashed message authentication codes, network encryption through the use of Internet Protocol security, and lastly, email encryption by way of a public key infrastructure. For further security, we also recommend establishing network access control methodologies alongside implementing a form of malware protection. For implementation purposes, we recommend 4 strategies. First, we recommend that data storage should remain on-premise for email with a backup of these servers taking place in the cloud. For this, we suggest the use of Microsoft Outlook for management and functionality of email communication. Second, we recommend that each printer be assigned a specific IP address for wireless printing capabilities. In addition, we recommend emergency cables will be located at each printer in case of wireless failure. Next, we have the building access control, for which we will make use of RFID technology in order to produce ID cards that are accessible through the wireless network. This strategy acts as a security measure, monitoring travel in and out of the building. Lastly, we recommend the use of Voice over Internet Protocol, or VoIP, phones for added quality of service and connectivity. For our wired physical diagram, as well as the wireless physical diagram you will see in future slides, we took it a step further to display our connections in relation to the physical layout of the campus, noting each building and its network connections alongside surrounding areas and buildings. We have updated our logical diagram to display the security connections that were discussed earlier within our security strategy, such as dedicated security connection for each building, ISP redundancy, and dedicated security line for each ISP and 1 security line for the Layer 3 switch. In the coming slide, you will see the layout of these security measures. Next, we will view the updated routing table for ABC Corporation. We have updated our routing table to account for the VoIP phone connections. In addition, we have assigned each of the departments their own VLAN and designated port for operation. With these additions, we now have 14 departments instead of the previous 13, still operating with the /23, /26, and /28 subnet masks, all working with Class B addressing. This budget plan has updates for the security measures that we have added for each building and the ISPs. We have also added the pricing and equipment for the wireless access points and fiber optic cabling for connection throughout each building. We are excited to work with ABC Corporation so you can continue to serve children in our community. Thank you for your time.